Hello, I'm Harun Habib. I just completed my Pinnacle 2-year course from FIITJEE, Hyderabad. I first came to know about FIITJEE back in class 8 when somebody told my mom about the FTRE exam. She had asked me to write it, which I did. When this course came out, I was eligible to join FIITJEE, which I did because my chemistry scores were really bad and I could use some help there. After I joined FIITJEE, during my initial days, I realized that FIITJEE was also helping me with physics and maths as well. So I decided to continue my JEE preparation at FIITJEE itself through class 11 and 12. And now I've really secured a good rank at IIT. The teachers at FIITJEE are remarkable and they've taught me a lot over my time spent here. They emphasize on understanding concepts instead of memorizing questions or answers or formulae. And for this, I'm really grateful to them. During my stay at FIITJEE, there was a time at which my chemistry scores dropped really low. The only motivation I got at that time was from my teachers and from my parents, which I'm really grateful for, because after that I've done really well in all my subjects. I would like to talk about the schedule at FIITJEE. Now the schedule at FIITJEE can be divided into two parts, one before the syllabus is completed and one after the syllabus is completed. Now before the syllabus is completed, we have weekly tests twice every week, and the results of these tests are sent to us by mail after the exam within a few hours. And this really does help along with the workbooks that they give to us. All of this helps us in practicing and analyzing what mistakes we are making and how we are doing. And this really does help because practice is what makes one perfect. However, after the exam syllabus is completed, we have F5 sheets which we do. The F5 sheets are a collection of really good questions in each and every single topic we have covered so far. We discuss these questions along with their answers with our friends and our teachers. And after the F5 sheets are completed, the AITS schedule starts. The AITS is a series of examinations which helps us know where we stand in the country. And our standing in our country motivates us to do better and achieve a better score. If you're already at FIITJEE, I would suggest that you continue focusing on the FIITJEE material, because there really isn't too much that you need to learn, and everything you need to learn is already provided by the teachers and what they prescribe. The material that FIITJEE gives is sufficient and enough to pass the JEE with a really good rank. Also, if you haven't joined an institution yet and are planning to join one to improve your JEE rank, and in case you want to get a really good IIT JEE rank and you intend to do so without losing your personal identity and without exhausting yourself in the process, I would suggest you to join FIITJEE because the education here is really good and it also helps you to do well after joining IIT. The classroom environment at FIITJEE is one of really healthy competition. It really encourages you to do better and to perform even better at every single exam you are going to write. The teachers at FIITJEE help you clear all of your doubts and at the same time they teach you really well. For this, I'm really grateful to both my teachers and to FIITJEE for providing such an environment. The integrated program at FIITJEE is really helpful because it merges both class 11 and class 12 education along with training for the JEE preparation. This ensures that I have a lot of free time left for self-study and everything else that is needed. And for this, I would suggest that you join FIITJEE's integrated classroom program. I would like to thank the faculty at FIITJEE for helping me study and for helping me achieve a really good rank in the IIT JEE. Thank you, FIITJEE.